everybody. It's Myra with EXP Realty, and it's Happy National Teddy Bears Picnic Day. Go have a picnic, guys. Hey, look who's here. It's Dave.
Hey, what's up, Myra? How you doing?
Good. How are you doing today? Friday.
It's Friday. It's the beginning of our work week. Woohoo!
I know it is, but yep. So, what good news? Mortgage tips do you have for us today, David?
Hey, one of the things I wanted to make mention today is that there are a lot of things surrounding COVID right now that are good and bad. There's a lot of good things that are happening in the economy. Shockingly, the economy's doing really well. Home prices are going up. Interest rates are going down. Man, it's so many good things happening. But there's also kind of like an underlying tone that I've seen happening out there. And what's really kind of got our attention in this field is that, there are a lot of like stimulus packages going out, right? And there's a lot of like unemployment benefits and lots of incentives for people to take advantage of during this time of crisis, of national crisis, right? But with that also brings the scammers. And we've seen just so many different things. Like I mentioned earlier today, I think you'd mentioned it, that there was somebody saying that they offer 0% loans, right? I mean, makes sense. It's COVID. People are skipping payments for free. Rates are dropping. 0% loans. Why not, right? And it's not a bait and switch. It's even worse. It's a phishing scam, right? So that what they're doing is, hey, we're offering the 0% loan. Call us up. You call that number. You click that link or whatever the case is. They're dropping viruses on you, or they're gathering your data immediately. And for the people who are not smart enough to realize that that's a scam, they're taking advantage of those individuals. And especially those who are willing to give up their social security numbers and their bank accounts over the phone, they're going to get scammed like really, really bad. So we want to educate those people who watch your videos and just tell them, if it's too good to be true and it's not from Myra over here, you might want to just double check it against your sources, right? Like literally, if you get something in the email, in your snail mail, in your whatever, right? Like I got a client that we're in the middle of refinancing right now, and anytime you do a credit inquiry from a mortgage lender, other places can buy that information off of Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Did you know that they sell your information like that?
Yes.
So if you're looking to buy a house or you're refinancing and you do a mortgage inquiry, those are the ones that the scammers are really looking for, right? They're like, mortgage inquiry. These people mortgage, right? They're looking to buy a house. They must have money. So you all of a sudden have this big old target on your head because these scammers are like, this person wants to buy a house or they want to refinance a house. So you become a target. They can buy your address, your phone number, sometimes even your email addresses. I don't know how the credit reporting agencies have all this information on us, but they do.
Yes.
And it's for sale. And so we just got to be super, super, super cautious right now. And if something seems, even if it doesn't seem too good to be true, call Myra and verify. It's only a 5-minute phone call or less, right? And Myra would say, whoa, wait a minute, pump the brakes. You know what? This free package, that's coming out to you, or buy one house, get one house free, whatever the case might be, probably isn't legitimate. Let's look into it a little bit further. But there's a lot of good things out there, right? There's a lot of legitimate things. Most of our customers that are doing purchases are in the twos right now in terms of rates, and their APRs in the twos. Yeah. And so interest rates are really far down. So it almost seems unbelievable, but the scammers are kind of taking that to the next level. You know what I'm saying? And they're very, very successful at it right now. Just
know that the public is at home in front of the internet, and you need to speak with somebody that is licensed and has a phone number. They need to
Yes.
talk to somebody you can see and somebody that you can clearly understand.
Yeah, that they're here in the U.S. and they're not some type of country overseas that doesn't allow extraditing. And I'm not going to make mention of any of them, but we're seeing a lot of just people just. I mean, it's good. It's good for them. They're stealing hundreds of millions of dollars right now, and you know, America's in a time of chaos at the moment, so it's easy to loot us electronically, and so we want to prevent that.
They know the people are hurting, the Americans are hurting, and they know how to get to you.
Yep, yep. Especially with all this free money that's being handed out constantly by the government right now.
Right.
Tons of free, billions of dollars, trillions of dollars of free money just handed out.
Wow.
And it's just, yeah, it's very easy for them to piggyback off of that and intercept that money from you. It's very easy for them to get you to apply for a mortgage that doesn't exist, you know, just to get your social security number, right? I mean, they'll offer you whatever it takes. Yeah, we got the 0% mortgage. Yeah. What's your social? Yeah.
Yeah.
Be careful. Be careful.
Social security number over the phone.
Yeah. Unless you know who you're talking to, right?
Yes.
Right. So,
And
because most mortgage business is done over the phone these days or on our online portal. Like, it's very rare, especially with COVID, that we meet somebody in person. And so, you know, our portal's got a two-step verification, and it's encrypted, and you can't break it unless you're some like super genius hacking computer from Myers, right? So, you know, it's very secure to do it that way. That is the most secure way to do it. It's just through like our online portal. There's some portals that are unsecure. Ours is very secure.
Good.
And yeah, you definitely don't want to fall into the scams that are out there. So anyhow, that's my mortgage tip for the day. You know, watch out for the scams. They're abundant, super abundant right now, and we want you to be protected.
Careful out there. Wear your mask and stay healthy.
Stay healthy.
Socially healthy too.
Be quarantined. Stop shaving.
All right, David. Well, thank you so much for your time today. And everybody on Facebook, catch us next Friday.
Have a great weekend, everybody. Have a great weekend.